Our top focus this Sunday evening is that political story that has shaken everybody, that has stunned everyone in the corridors of power, and that story is coming from the national capital, where big revelations have been made by sacked Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Water Resources Minister of Delhi, Kapil Mishra. Addressing the media at Rajghat today, he said that on Friday, he himself witnessed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal accept bribe of 2 crore rupees from Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain. He'd also demanded to know the reason behind taking the money, but Kejriwal evaded questions and said that such things happen in politics. Mishra also said that the day Satyendra Jain goes to jail, everything will become crystal clear. Serious allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party leadership were first raised by Kumar Vishwas and then by Kapil Mishra, and these allegations are only hinting that the Aam Aadmi Party is staring at a collapse.
नगर निगम चुनाव के दौरान उन्होंने जितनी बार पानी के मुद्दों पर चर्चा की है, और कल जब तक मैंने एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो को लेटर नहीं लिखा उससे पहले तक जब भी उन्होंने पानी के बारे में बोला है, अपने खुद के बयानों को सुने, अपने खुद के इंटरव्यू को देखें, तो क्या वो पिछले 2 साल से दिल्ली की जनता को लगातार झूठ बोल रहे थे, या कल किसी चीज को पर्दे में छुपाने के लिए झूठ बोलना उनकी मजबूरी बन गई। मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर पर देखा है, सत्येंद्र जैन जी 2 करोड़ रुपए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को नगद देते हुए मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है। सत्येंद्र जैन जी ने 2 करोड़ रुपए नगद अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को मेरी आंखों के सामने दिए। मैंने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से पूछा कि ये क्या है, तो उन्होंने जवाब देने से मना कर दिया और उन्होंने कहा कि राजनीति में कुछ बातें होती हैं जो बाद में बताई जाएंगी। तरह तरह के मामले सामने आते हैं, कभी बस के घोटाले के, कभी टॉक्सवे के घोटाले के, कभी पैसों के घोटाले के। कार्यकर्ता दूर खड़ा होकर देखता रहता था एक उम्मीद में कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, वो कभी पैसा नहीं ले सकते। आज दुख के साथ, लेकिन इस संकल्प के साथ कि किसी भ्रष्टाचारी को नहीं छोड़ेंगे, जेल भिजवा के रहेंगे जिन्होंने कैश लिया, या तो वो बताएं कि वो पैसा कहां से आया, उस पैसे का हिसाब किताब दुनिया को दें।
Well, the fissures in the Aam Aadmi Party, the rift, the conflict was evident for everyone. Everyone saw what's happening in the Aam Aadmi Party. But these allegations have taken everyone by surprise. And Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia quashed all the allegations and said that they do not deserve an explanation.
बहुत सारे MLAs से मुलाकात होने के बाद ये बात बार बार सामने आई है कि लगभग सारी विधानसभाओं में पानी को लेके बहुत त्राही मची हुई है और बहुत MLA परेशान थे पानी को लेके। पूरे दिल्ली में लोग पानी को लेके परेशान थे और MLAs खास तौर से खूब गालियां खा रहे हैं लोगों की। ये बात मैंने बताई थी कल उनको, और उसके बाद उनसे कहा था कि अब मुख्यमंत्री जी मंत्रिमंडल में फेरबदल कर रहे हैं। अब उसके बाद आज जिस तरह के आरोप, बेबुनियाद आरोप उन्होंने लगाए, उसके बारे में अब मैं क्या कहूं, वो तो बात जवाब देने लायक भी नहीं है। कोई इस पर यकीन नहीं कर सकता। बहुत ही उलझुल आरोप उन्होंने लगाए हैं, उनका कोई सिर पैर नहीं है। इसके बारे में इतना ही कहा जा सकता है, उसका कोई जवाब नहीं है।
If the cabinet is being reshuffled and somebody has been removed, this is not the way to behave, and he has behaved in a very callous way. If Satyendra Jain is anything is found against him, ACB is there, CBI is there, all kind of bodies, all kind of organizations are there. Who will take care of him? There is nothing against him except a lot of media is doing trials on itself. Really, I feel this is a case of very high impact indiscipline, and action should be taken against him.
Well, all the eyes were on Aam Aadmi Party's Kumar Vishwas, because remember, he also raised a banner of revolt, but before that he was pacified and he was made Rajasthan in charge. Let's listen into what Kumar Vishwas had to say on these allegations.
अरविंद से मेरा 12 वर्ष का परिचय और इतने साल काम करने के बाद मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि अरविंद केजरीवाल भ्रष्टाचार करेगा, पैसे लेगा, ये मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता, और ये उनके शत्रु भी नहीं सोच सकते। पार्टी के अंदर टिकट वितरण में क्या डिस्क्रिपेंसीज हुई हैं, टिकट क्यों ठीक नहीं बटे, हमने अपने राजनीतिक एजेंडे में कहाँ गलतियाँ की, इस पर बात हो, लेकिन ऐसे खुले में आकर एक आरोप लगा देना बेबुनियाद बिना किसी आधार के, ये बहुत गलत है।
All right, so there you heard Kumar Vishwas defend Arvind Kejriwal, but ironically, even Yogendra Yadav is defending Arvind Kejriwal. He's saying that we can believe that he's a dictator or he's not leading the party properly, but to say that he's corrupt, one needs solid evidence.
Allegation of 50 crore rupees dealing, allegation of 2 crore rupees, allegation of Hawala, allegation of Punjab funding. I think Arvind Kejriwal has no right to continue as a chief minister even a minute. मैं समझता हूँ इट्स ए फिट केस फॉर द सीबीआई टू प्रोब।
ये गंभीर मामला है, बड़ा मामला है, भ्रष्टाचार का मामला। 2 करोड़ की जो इलीगल डील हो रही है, इसके पीछे बहुत सारे भ्रष्टाचार के तथ्यपूर्ण आरोप हैं। टैंकर घोटाला है, 27 करोड़ की हवाला कांड की जमीन जो खरीदी है सत्येंद्र जैन ने, जिसको वो रेजिडेंशियल में कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे, ये सदन की बैठक में हम उठाएंगे और हम एसीबी और सीबीआई से मांग करते हैं कि इसकी जांच करें।
All right, so there you heard the opposition gunning for Arvind Kejriwal, both the Congress and the BJP demanding a CBI probe and some even demanding his arrest. Well, for more on this, I'm joined by India Today correspondent Ilma Hassan, who's giving us a minute-by-minute update on this big story that is developing through the day. Ilma, what's the latest? Anytime soon, are we expecting any statement from the Chief Minister's residence? Because Arvind Kejriwal hasn't spoken out yet, because this is the first time when we have heard a direct allegation of corruption against Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, Archana, you've seen everyone speak, from the opposition. You've had Manoj Tiwari speak, you've had Ajay Maken speak. You've also seen from the Aam Aadmi Party, Kumar Vishwas speak out in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, even though, they had a safe and a disagreement in the past week. You've had Manish Sisodia also say that the allegations that are made are not even worth a response, and this sort of an allegation is coming from a minister who was sacked for not doing his job well. So you see that, there's a lot of opposition speaking. Right now, we don't have any information on whether Arvind Kejriwal will be speaking. But, there's some serious level of allegation that has been raised against him. In fact, just a little while earlier, the opposition has upped its ante. You saw the Delhi Youth Congress protest outside Arvind Kejriwal's home. Apart from that, you also saw the fact that Manoj Tiwari personally went to meet the LG, is demanding Arvind Kejriwal's resignation. Apart from that, he's also demanding a probe in this whole matter. You've had important voices like Anna Hazare and Kiran Bedi, who were very close allies of Arvind Kejriwal, also speak up. Now, these allegations are very severe. All we know right now is the fact that you've had the opposition, and we're expecting even in the next few days for them to continue protesting, despite the fact that Manish Sisodia has said that these don't even deserve a response. And another thing we should keep in mind is that Kapil Mishra is a very close aide of Kumar Vishwas. In fact, when the whole disagreement between Kumar Vishwas and the Aam Aadmi Party was happening, it was Kapil Mishra who was with Kumar Vishwas late into the night at his residence when...
All right. Okay, that was India Today correspondent Ilma Hassan, who was giving us the latest update on that big development coming in from the national capital, where the man himself, who's targeted everyone in the name of corruption and leveled charges of corruption, is now at the center of those allegations itself. His own man, a former minister, Delhi's former Water Resources Minister Kapil Mishra, has accused Arvind Kejriwal of accepting bribe worth 2 crore rupees.